I'm on some waste rock. I'm heading for those workings over there. Coming down this fun little road. It's not bad or anything. It's just very steep and narrow. And I'm just hoping that it goes all the way to those workings. But I came across this. And what gets me is I have those workings over there marked. And I looked at the map and I'm like, how did I miss these on the topos? I don't know. Let's check it out while we're here. And then at the end of this, or I'll have at the very beginning what was mined. Well, we got some track. It's about a 20-degree difference from the outside. And here, moisture smell. Ooh, if you guys heard that, that's my stomach. I need to eat something. Haven't eaten anything since last night. So I'm wondering if this was the vein that they were chasing, the quartz. I mean, the cans, I mean, they're pinch seams, no solder. Yeah, 1950s. Maybe the 60s. Now, here we go, coffee can. I can't make it out. I'll know more when I actually look up the mine. Okay, so now we're getting into moisture. Oh, there's the face. Air line, water line. Oh, yeah, I definitely need to get something to eat. Pack rat, if you're here, annoy me, ignore me. I just want to see. Huh. Put that back. Looks like they were using that as a house. I was hoping it was a little bit bigger. It's neat that the track is still in here. And now I'm kind of spoiled after the last couple mines. We're talking miles of tunnel. And with that, I'm going to call it the end of this adventure, or exploration, or however you want to call it. And this is that stuff that when it gets wet, it's clay. If you made it to the very end, I appreciate you. This gets you excited to do some exploring on your own. Do it. Have fun, be safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.